Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are returning, and welcome to the very first manifestation moment of 2021. So let us see what fresh and new manifestation, sorry about the background noise, busy street, manifestation message we have to look forward to for the upcoming week. What is the very first manifestation moment of 2021? I'm going to put that to the side. One more. Sorry, I heard two more. Every so often they like to do that to me. Okay, now I heard stop. Interesting that the very first card that flew out of the deck, which if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know is a rare event. I surrender my worries to the universe is very much what I recommended in Thursday's New Year's Eve closing out 2020 ritual that I mentioned in that video. And if you haven't watched it, I'll link it up here. So if you haven't done that, or you haven't watched that video to know how to do it, I recommend going to watch it and actually following through with that little ritual to try to help yourself just surrender any stressors or worries to the divine. I am already what I want to become one day. I can earn lots of money pursuing my true passion. I am an infinite being with infinite potential. I get to do what I love every day, and I'm actually feeling to draw one more card. I love and respect money. Okay, so this is 2020 was obviously an extremely difficult year for everybody. Okay? There was a lot of struggling going on. Some people are still right now. And interesting that this card is number 11, and the number 11 is a manifestation number. So right off the bat, you are being guided that whatever stressors or worries you're holding on to right now, let it go. Do not make me sing the Disney song. I do not want to get demonetized. But automatically, let it go. Next, take out those manifestation journals I keep telling y'all to have and start working on. Write down what you want as if you already have it. I know this is a constant message I keep saying repeatedly, but it bears repeating. I earn lots of money pursuing my true passion. I want you to try to hold on to that vision of you just basically swimming in money as you pursue your goal and as you pursue your dreams, whatever they may be. I am an infinite being with infinite potential. Try to get rid of self-limiting thoughts. Remember, the universe is infinite. The potential to manifest your dreams is infinite, and there is more than enough to go around in the universe for everybody. There is no reason why you should put any sort of limitations on yourself when it comes to manifesting what it is you want, be it financial, love, health, anything of that nature. It may take some work on your end, but the universe is infinite. There are no limits. And just as the universe is infinite, so are you, because you are part of it. I get to do what I love every day. This may take some experimentation in trying to find your niche and find what you feel passionate about. But keep in mind that whatever you love to do every day is automatically tied to this. I earn lots of money pursuing my true passion. And this last card, I love and respect money, is a very important one. Especially for those who have struggled this year, maybe displaced career-wise. I know it can be very hard when you do not have something that you need, especially when it is financial, to start to resent and even hate the thing that it is you don't have that you need. But by resenting and hating something like money or something that is literally meant to help you survive and thrive in this world, that signal, when put out into the universe, tells the universe to keep money away from you. And that's not really something you want to do. So I want you to try to work on shifting your mindset, shifting your ideas about money into being positive. Try not to view money as a stressful thing. Try to view it as a wonderful thing and something that can really help you, and really turn your mindset into one of loving money. Because the more that you like something, the more that you are grateful for something, the more the universe tends to resonate with you to bring more of that to you. Okay? So I know this is a really nice and short video today. I hope that this has given you some things to work on and things to focus on as we head into 2021 with this bright, sparkly new energy. And I hope every single one of you is able to manifest a prosperous, abundant, beautiful life. And with all of that said, until next time, I wish you all the brightest of blessings, and blessed be.